Hello everyone, and welcome to a groundbreaking announcement in AI security. Today, we're exploring how Check Point Software Technologies, in partnership with NVIDIA, is redefining enterprise AI security with their new AI Cloud Protect platform. In a major move announced on October 28, 2025, Check Point revealed AI Cloud Protect, an integrated security solution specifically built for AI factories. This revolutionary platform is now available for on-premises enterprise deployments and is designed to secure AI model development, agentic AI applications, and inference workloads with absolutely zero impact on performance. But why is this so urgently needed? Let's look at the alarming statistics driving this innovation. Today's AI systems face unprecedented security challenges that traditional security solutions simply can't handle. More than half of enterprise networks now use AI tools, making them prime targets for sophisticated cyber attacks. The numbers tell a concerning story. Check Point's own data shows that 1 in every 80 Gen AI prompts exposes sensitive data. Meanwhile, a recent Gartner report found that 32% of organizations experienced an AI attack involving prompt manipulation, and 29% faced direct attacks on their Gen AI infrastructure in just the past year alone. As Natalie Kremer, Chief Product Officer at Check Point, stated, as enterprises race to build AI-driven innovation, they can't afford blind spots. With NVIDIA, we're making AI factories secure by design, protecting models, data, and infrastructure without slowing innovation. Now, let's dive into the technological breakthrough that makes this possible. AI Cloud Protect runs on NVIDIA Bluefield 3 DPUs, delivering full-stack security without consuming any CPU or GPU resources. This eliminates the performance trade-offs that have plagued traditional security solutions in AI environments. The solution operates at multiple security layers. At the network level, AI Cloud Protect secures the AI infrastructure from unauthorized access, significantly reducing risk for data poisoning and model exfiltration. At the host level, it leverages the unique direct memory access of NVIDIA Docker Argus to provide complete visibility into all running processes on AI nodes. This host-level visibility is crucial. It enables Check Point to detect and prevent malicious processes and workloads, including those hidden within publicly downloaded large language models. This addresses one of the most insidious threats in the AI security landscape. As David Reber, Chief Security Officer at NVIDIA, emphasized, security is essential for the next generation of AI infrastructure. NVIDIA is working with Check Point to integrate Bluefield acceleration and the NVIDIA Docker Argus runtime security framework into the AI Cloud Protect platform to help enterprises deploy AI confidently. And this is just the beginning. AI Cloud Protect will also run on the forthcoming NVIDIA Bluefield 4 DPU, which will offer up to 6 times compute power and 2 times network throughput for AI inference and storage processing. This enables scalable and secure AI operations at unprecedented speeds. But AI Cloud Protect is just one part of Check Point's comprehensive AI security strategy. The company delivers a complete security portfolio that protects the entire AI supply chain, including cloud infrastructure, enterprise applications, and end users. Check Point's CloudGuard web application firewall with integrated Lakera capabilities protects AI enterprise applications by preventing sophisticated threats like prompt injection and jailbreaking. These are among the most common and dangerous attacks targeting AI systems today. Meanwhile, Infinity Gen AI Protect enables the safe adoption of generative AI applications in the enterprise. It automatically detects which Gen AI applications are being used and applies security policies to prevent sensitive data leakage while ensuring compliance with organizational standards. Check Point is currently piloting AI Cloud Protect with financial services customers and strategic partners like Worldwide Technology. These early deployments focus on AI data centers supporting large language model development and prompt-based applications, ensuring enterprise-grade protection for the most sensitive data and intellectual property. As Chris Conrad, Vice President of Global Cyber at Worldwide Technology, explained, as enterprises build AI server factories at scale, the combination of Check Point's AI Cloud Protect and NVIDIA Bluefield acceleration deliver enterprise-grade protection for sensitive AI workloads from model training to inference without compromising the performance modern AI applications demand. Let's examine the unique security challenges that AI factories introduce. First, they create expansive attack surfaces from massive compute and data pipelines. Second, they face emerging threats like prompt injection, jailbreaking, and model poisoning that traditional security tools can't detect. Third, they create data leakage risks from ungoverned employee AI use. AI Cloud Protect solves these challenges through 3 key innovations: comprehensive protection across network, host, and application layers, zero performance impact through NVIDIA Bluefield accelerated security, and unified management and automation for security orchestration across thousands of AI nodes. With validation on NVIDIA RIC servers, enterprises can confidently deploy AI Cloud Protect on their AI infrastructure today. This validation ensures compatibility and performance across the enterprise AI stack, from development environments to production inference workloads. The strategic partnership impact. The Checkpoint and NVIDIA partnership represents a fundamental shift in how we approach AI security. By building security directly into the infrastructure layer rather than bolting it on as an afterthought, they're enabling enterprises to deploy AI at scale without compromising security or performance. As AI continues to transform every industry, the security of AI systems becomes not just a technical requirement, but a business imperative. Checkpoint's AI Cloud Protect, powered by NVIDIA Bluefield technology, provides the foundation for secure AI innovation, ensuring that enterprises can harness the power of artificial intelligence without exposing themselves to unprecedented new risks.